Got a customer's got a 2008 Scion Xb, so the radio is gonna look somewhat like that, and the mounting kit's gonna like that. What you want to do, you want to take a flat head and pry this out right there, pry this whole thing out one side, and then the other side. It should come out easy. I didn't want to explain more of that. So now when you remove this radio, we'll have this metal right there. There's two metal, one left and one on the right. And then when you want to put the doubled end back, you want to just take the mounting kit for Metra is 998202. One is say left right there, XL means it's left, and the other one is right. So you just put the screw back in like so, one on the top, one on the bottom. Same thing, you can put all three of them you want, and then you want to make sure this is on the bottom, and then you look at the left and then the right, and then I'm just gonna remove the radio and show you. And then on the harness is I install a backup cameras and everything too. So let me get the model number for you right there. I'm gonna put that on the link right there for the wiring harness. So on the wiring harness, all you have to do is match the color. So you got gray, you got red, you got black, you know, your blue for the remote. Actually this blue come off right there. I had to fix that because we was pulling the wire earlier for the backup camera, and I'll show you what wire you want to hook it up for the reverse wire. So I use a cheaper version, RAP-TY-8100 for the wiring harness. 958202 is the mounting kit. Now for the backup camera, this is pin number 1 on pin 30 on the 30 pin right there. This plug right there, when you put on reverse, it should send a 12-volt signal to the radio, tell the backup camera on, turn the backup camera on. This wire I ran the yellow to the reverse camera. That's what the reverse hookup, backup camera hooked up. So I'm gonna put it all back. I'm gonna start with the bottom piece first. There's a little plastic piece you want to put in that first, and then put it back. And I mean, this coil is pretty simple to install. It's not hard, but now if you do have to do backup camera, I would not recommend it. So now I'm gonna test see if it works. I did hook up the steering wheel control, and that works too. And there's a piece right there, you can take it off. I'm gonna take it off for him. He's an older gentleman. Source right there. I'm gonna go to a radio. That's a radio, and then I'm gonna put on backup, turn the key on, put on backup. It's working perfectly. So that's it.